Take him down. It had to have been a finger or something.
Tries to pull guard, you can grab his leg.
Knee inside, work your pass. You like set daily heave, you gotta turn that leg outside. Stuff that foot in between your legs.
Stay up, Jim, stay up, stay up. Stay up, Jim, stay up.
Up.
Roll all the way, roll.
Up.
Stuff his knee back into half guard.
Stay tight.
Come on, Jim.
Push his knee. Push his knee, off balance him.
Yes. Up.
Take him down right now.
Jim, you're down by 4 points. Let's go. You gotta be aggressive. Takedown, pass right away. Come on, Jim.
Stay straight on, sir.
Blast through him. Blast double. Let's go. Blast double. Fake it and go. Fake it and go. Turn, flare that leg outside. You gotta turn that knee outside. That right knee, you gotta turn it outside. Stuff that left foot between your legs.
Push. Now go.
Yes, that's it. Keep all your weight on that knee, turn it outside. Stuff that other foot and pass.
Put him on his ass. Go.
Yes, keep going that direction. Keep going
Stuff his leg all the way.
Keep going that direction, Jim. Push that leg down and pass to that side.
Stuff that leg down and push
Wear
it.
that knee out. Wear that knee out. Other knee.
Right knee out.
All the way to the other side.
Use your right foot.
Jim, you gotta pass to your left side. You gotta pass to your left side.
Posture.
Come on, Jim, posture.
Both hands on the head. Both of them. Yeah, pull down.